Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hope everybody had a great, fantabuloso weekend, yeah? All right, yo. How is everybody doing this morning? We already got 12 people in here. That's what's up. All right, guys. So I don't think we have any major type of news. That's the first thing we're going to look at today is news. We don't have any crazy news today, so we should have a clean market price action, or it could chop up because it is Monday. Some Mondays are pretty choppy, some Mondays are pretty good, so we'll see what happens. All right, so overnight, it looks like we are bearish for overnight session. We're tapping into this daily FVG right here. We tapped into it last Thursday, and then we're tapping into it again. Right here, we're at this 50% mark on the daily FVG. We dropped down to the 4-hour. Lines up pretty well with the 4-hour FVG. We have one here. But we also have one that's a bit better right here, because this one, this FVG here, I would like to play off of. Because once we broke past here, we just continued up. So this FVG is pretty strong. Okay, so let's drop down to the 1-hour. Let's see how this 1-hour plays out for this FVG. Pretty good. So let me drop this down to about here. So I got my daily FVG, and now I'm dropping down to the lower time frames to kind of just clean up the FVG, clean it up a little bit. All right, and here we have our New York open here. Okay. We also created an overnight gap that NQ filled. Let's see if ES filled it. Okay, ES filled its gap as well, so that's good. That's good. So since we are tapping into this, oh gosh. Okay. So we have our areas of liquidity. We have London highs sitting right here, literally right here, very close, very close. I stopped naming my things like London high, New York high, just rather do DOL, BSL, buy side, sell side, drawing liquidity. Since we did tap into this daily FVG right here, we could very well just flip. But let's see what we do here. $9:30 opens in 3 minutes. So let's see what happens here. And let's look left. Yeah. Here. Okay, so here we are here. Where's the furthest area we tapped into? Right here. So we filled this gap, 15-minute FVG, and then started reversing from it. So we didn't inverse this one. We inversed this one, but not this one. I still think we come a little bit lower first. So this 4-hour close past here. So I think it would be best to stay bearish for now, especially if we break past this low. But the 30 closes, I mean, not the 30, the 4-hour closes in 30 minutes. So we could see take out this London high and then start dropping. That could be the possible move. And if it is, all I'm going to target is this London low here. Close 90%, and then I'm going to see what the runner does. So yeah, I'm expecting us to take out this London high and then start rejecting to also try and close above this New York open, but we won't. This would be the move here. So we take, this will be the first part of my move for the morning. And then watch to see if we take out a level of liquidity, which we more than likely will, and then could possibly take some longs to go higher. But let's see. Let's see. See if there's an S&T anywhere. Here is ES. Let's see. Okay, now I'm bullish. Now I'm bullish. It could come all the way up. There it is. A high. It's either that. It's either bulls or shorts. So this is the area around. This would be the prediction for the longs. Could probably take some trims here too. And then for the shorts, we could come down to this London low. But since we've been dropping, we'll see what happens. I'm looking to get a payout this Friday, guys. That's my goal. Either by this Friday or middle of next week. All right, I'm going to be looking to take some longs here, guys, and targeting these highs here. But let's see what happens. Yeah, definitely. We're definitely bouncing off that daily FVG. Yeah, that's a pretty big projection from this daily FVG, guys. All right. I'll tell you guys when I'm in, and then I'll switch over. All right. I'm scaling in here. I'm in longs. I'm scaling in. All right, first TP's right here, okay? First TP. All right, first TP just got hit. First TP just got smacked, guys. Right there. Okay. See if we can go higher here. How much higher we can go. Let me just... There we go, guys. This is 2 combines. I'm at break even now, guys. Sitting at break even. What's up, Shane? You're in the same trade? Beautiful, bro. Beautiful. Hopefully can target London highs. Yeah. No, wait, we already took out London highs, bro. You're probably thinking of Asia highs. I mean, very possible. Very possible. Very, very, very possible. But yeah, we already took out London highs. Pretty strong. We tapped into this daily FEG. That's a pretty big reason why. All right. So all these TPs are getting tapped. 1, 2. Here's one more TP that's looking to get tapped. 1, 2, 3. All right. TP3 has been tapped. God damn, guys. What are we at? What are we at? What are we at? 60 points. 240 ticks. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro. I'm going to go ahead and close 3 more, guys. Let's fucking go. I'm going to put stops to break even right here. Or it's already at break even, but you know what? It's fine. I'm just going to leave it at break even. I'm not going to trail my stops here. Let's fucking go. Damn, I didn't hold all of it on my PA, but because, you know, guys, I'm still building that shit up from last week, but damn, I should have held all of that on my PA. Damn, what a fucking open. What a open. We do also have this FEG sitting right here, guys. So let's just be a little weary of this one, okay? I want to just probably close here. We have a very strong chance of coming into this FEG and either fully inversing it to go higher or pretty big rejection. And then we take out London lows. So let's watch this. But we have a lot of bottom wicks here. We pretty much created a low here on the higher time frame. But we have a low here as well. So if we're starting to create lower lows and lower highs, we should see a movement down. So we are creating lower lows and lower highs on the higher time frame, especially here. Lower low, lower high, lower low, or lower high, lower low. Yeah, so resist the 5. What are we tapping into here? Are we tapping into anything here? We are tapping into a, I'm gonna move my stops here. Nothing here. Nice trade. Thanks, Ruben. Hey, my boy. Yeah, that's a really great start of the week. Really great start of the week. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Tony. Tony the Tiger. Where's my frosted flakes, bro? Where's my breakfast, man? Let's see. I completely took all profits on my PA account. I'm still holding on my combine. Yes, sir. That's how you start off the fucking week. You know, some people don't like to trade Mondays because they think it's going to be choppy. But, like, if you think about it, everybody is itching to trade after the weekend. Everybody's itching to trade. And then there's shit that happens overnight on the weekend, especially with Trump in the fucking market. I think Trump is, I think he said that he's putting, I forget how big of a tariff, but he's really putting tariffs on Walmart, and they are pissed. Walmart is pissed about that shit. But yeah. Bro, I need you 4 more days, and it's stress for breakfast forever. Bro, I need 4 more days. Oh, okay. Better give me some fucking frosted flakes. Shit. Oat milk only, bro. I don't want no 2%. Oat milk only. I don't even like almond milk. Almond milk just ain't it, bro. It just ain't it. Oh, excuse me. Here's the one. Ruben, are you still here, bro? Because I wanted to show you something. Like, I wanted to show you how I use your fib lately. Oh, bet. So, okay, so look at this shit. This shit's crazy. I've been using your fib, and it lines up so well a lot. So I got this New York open here, and here's the previous 4-hour candle. So I take, like, the 4-hour candle, and I line it up. And, oh, my God, the 50% mark lines up so perfectly with this New York open. And then anytime I really see that, I'm like, okay, I'm really confident about this fucking trade. This happens in FVGs too. But man, that fib is something. It's nice. I like it, bro. But I really only like it when I see a nice closure and then I use the high. Quartering. I've never heard of that. I don't know what quartering is. See that shit? Another 50% mark for the FEG. Quartering. You mean like you want like a quarter of it tapped and then you get in? Is that what you're saying? Let's see if we tap. Damn. Let's see if we come all the way up here. Let's see, so one. Good morning, bro. 55, 25%, 50%, 75%, these kind of levels. Man, are we gonna inverse this shit? We just fully filled that FEG. No bottom wick. All right, guys, I'm gonna close out of this. I think I'm happy with this amount. Or should I just let it see what it does? Nah, I'm gonna close out. Okay, I'm happy with that. Very, very happy. Beautiful trade. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That was 120 points, 480 ticks, guys. Suck my shit, bro. We're coming back, guys. We're coming back. We're coming back. So for you, for FEGs, I feel like you said you don't really like FEGs. But I know that FEGs really, really, really fucking work. Like inverse FEGs, I feel like are a little bit stronger sometimes. But yeah, once a high level of liquidity has been taken out, a high or a low, and there's an FEG formed, you look for that inverse FEG, like right here, that I didn't even see. Right here. We inversed it and just pumped up. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Wait a minute. $30-minute FEG. Beautiful. I think I just need about like, I think $400 to pass this combine. Would have taken me maybe 3 days, 4 days. I think this one came a little late. Yeah. Yeah, I think this one's resting at 1,200. This one's at like 2,500 maybe. All right, let's see what we get, guys. See if I can pass the combine here. I could have passed it with this trade, but I trimmed. Let's fucking go. It's like we're trying to inverse a 30-minute FEG, but I don't know. Who knows? Let me see. All right, we already took out these levels of liquidity. Don't need those anymore. Already tapped into this. Keep trying. Let's go. Truth in politics. What's up, bro? What you preaching today? What you preaching today, brother? And then move all the way down, but that's not too realistic now. Man, this is huge. La 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 la. Man, that was a very nice. How long did that even take? Wouldn't even take that long. So the 4 hour is opening up in 4 minutes. So let's see what the next 4 hour candle does. Yeah, it looks like we want to move a little bit higher here. Man, that's such a strong reaction from this. I mean, damn. Damn, 241 tick reaction from this daily FVG 50% level. Wow. Man, those higher time frame FVGs are splendid. All right, let's look at ES. So ES is almost here at this Asia high. If ES can take out the Asia high before NQ does, we could see a SMT form and go for shorts. But we'll see what happens. Let's see if we want to continue higher or go for shorts. But if we do take shorts, I really want to take out this. I would really want to take out this high, but if ES takes it out first, that's okay. We could still create an FVG. But yeah, I want to see a level of liquidity taken out. I want to see some buy side taken out. And then I want to see an FVG formed, a nice FVG. And then I want to see an inverse of the FVG with market structure shift with a possible SMT. So that's like 6 confirmations there, if I was counting correctly. 5 or 6. ES is pretty close to this. Looks ES is probably going to take out the Asia high before we take out this. All right, so the 4-hour candle has opened. Here is the 50% mark on this candle. Wait, is it the same? Oops. Okay. So Asia highs are here for London. For NQ. And Asia highs are here for ES. All right, so ES is tapping. Well, okay. All right, so ES just, wow, it flew. It flew. Let's see. ES probably wants a little bit higher. Pretty big gap here. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Are you still in that, Shane? Just inverse this 30-minute FEG and see if the lower time frame closes above it. You. I need some water. It's literally only 5 minutes into the first or into the 4-hour candle, so. Let's look left a little bit. Let's see what we're tapping into here. Sheesh. Sometimes you can see the break and retest a little bit easier on the 1 minute if you use this strategy, the New York Open. Damn. All right, we just took out that fucking Asia high for both ES and NQ. All right, so that's full TP there. If you guys were to hold that whole thing. Damn, 695 ticks, 173 points. What a trade. Oh, we're still going higher. Wow. What's my bias? Well, my first bias already played out very well to the T. So now what I'm looking for, oh, my stomach doesn't feel good, guys. Sorry, hold on a second. Ugh, sorry, I got a little nauseous for a second. Okay. So my first bias was longs, right? Go bullish, and played out very well. Full TP was hit. Now we could go higher. We could very well go higher. We have such a strong push from here. Overnight session, we were just dropping. We had a gap that we did fill overnight, so we could go higher. But if we do go higher and break past here, I'm probably just going to stay long for the rest of the day. But I would really like to see us come and close back below this Asia high. Close back below this Asia high. Inverse this FEG. To then take shorts. Probably just target about here. Or just like a 1-to-1 or something. But yeah, that's really what I would like to see. And now what's happening here is something that's called a liquidity void. Oh. Right here on this candle. So if we can even close back below here, even for the liquidity void, I would also look to take shorts from here and move down. Probably just move down into this FEG here, but yeah, slowly move down. Let's see how this plays out. But if we disrespect this liquidity void and continue pushing higher, I might just be done for the day. But it would be nice to see us come back down, especially now that ES took out Asia highs and NQ took out Asia highs. So this would be more of like probably a scalp, this trade. But yeah, we're probably going to come back down, chop up a bit. Do we have news tomorrow? We still don't have any crazy news tomorrow either. That's good. I mean, we have CPI for CAD. Wow, we don't have much crazy news this week. Oh, shit. Oh, man, we should have a pretty good week, guys. We have our first red folder news on Thursday. You're pure blood Filipino, bro? Nah, bro, I'm not even Filipino, man. What? I get that a lot, though. I get that a lot. I get Hawaiian, Filipino, Mexican. But no, I'm half Chinese. My dad's Chinese. I'm half Chinese. And my mom is black, white, and Native American. So I'm a pretty big mutt. I am a pretty big mutt. I'm black, white, Native American, and Chinese. Let's see. Oh, wow. I didn't even realize we created this little gap right here on NQ. Let's see it, though. Let's see if I can pass this real quick. Need to see this 5-minute close. Thanks, man. Thanks, bro. I am universal. Can't nobody be racist towards me. I'm everything. Ugh. Except for Hispanic. That's the only thing I'm missing. I'm pretty sure it's in there somewhere. It probably is now. My wife is Mexican, so it's in there. All right, guys. I might get into some shorts here. I might. I just might. The only thing is that's worrying me is that ES did not come back below this Asia low yet. So I don't know if I want to take shorts just yet. What are you, bro? What's your race? Mindful plus success. What are you, my bro? I think I really want to start putting like something on here. I wish I knew how to add a little thingy on the side so we can update like the wins and losses of the stream. I'm sure there's a way. I am sure there's a way. Yeah. So this void has been voided. Well, not necessarily. Yeah, it's probably just staying long for today. Please go ahead and guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Please don't forget to like and subscribe. 80% off trading nut coupon. US 30. I don't trade US 30, brother. I wouldn't even know what I'm looking at. Golds? Sure, I can look at gold. I can look at gold. Let's see. Let's do top-down analysis for gold, yeah. Top-down analysis. Is this the correct MGC? All right. So, the previous daily candle, 320.08, 320.08. That's what you say, huh? 320.08.8567. So literally at the bottom of this daily wick. So top-down analysis for me states that we're currently in a range, yeah. And this daily candle specifically right here came down here. We filled this daily FVG here. Not fully, but pretty much at like a, I guess like 80% level, right? 80% mark, 75. We bounced back up from this daily FVG. Looks like we're wanting to go into buys here. But the only way we can go into buys, strong confirmation. I wouldn't say the only way, but the stronger confirmation for buys would be to break this previous daily high for to go higher, or you can trade into the daily high for TP. But yeah, so this previous daily candle, we did not close below the level of support. We tapped back into this daily FVG. We closed above this level of support. We opened right here in the middle of this candle, telling us we're probably going to start pushing up. So that's what I see for gold. So let's look long. Let's go long for gold. Yeah. Really good way to know for longs is if we can close, break past here pretty strong. If you can break past this pretty strong, we should be good to move higher. Oh shit, hold on. Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother. Hold on, brother. Okay. Well, never mind. Never mind. Gold's looking a little choppy though, bro. Gold is looking quite choppy. Gold is looking like this isn't a day to trade gold. That's what gold is looking like. Very choppy in gold. Very choppy. Quite indecisive on gold. I mean, there's a lot going on in the world. Gold is a commodity. So gold is pretty fundamental. If you're a fundamental trader, gold is definitely for you. That's what I think, at least. I think gold trades more fundamentally versus technical analysis, just because it is a commodity, and that's just my thought process behind it, though. And if you don't know what a commodity is, basically, let's say we went into a really, really big recession or something of the sort. Gold is used as a commodity. So if we're bumping it or running into a recession, you'll see gold pump, because the big boys like to use gold as a, I guess you could say, a buffer, a safe haven. It's their savings, if you want to look at it that way. If anything really bad goes on in the world, they will look over to gold. They lose their money, sell some gold. They got some gold back. What is gold sitting at? $3,000 and $230 per ounce, I believe. Per ounce of fucking gold. God damn. Oh, are we going to get it, guys? Are we going to get this move? It looks like it's very possible. All I'm looking for is about 500 bucks. So I'm going to be risking 500 to make 500. And let's see if it happens. Let's do 6 cons. Let's see. I need to look at ES. All right, I'm getting in here. All right, I'm in, guys. I'm in. Let's see. Let's see. I just need a 1-to-1 and we're good. Golden. Let's see. Might have a little struggle right here. I actually think I might be good here. I think I'm good there, actually, guys. Hold on, let me check. I don't even know how much I'm at. Let me check. Oh my God, I'm $60 away. I thought I was there. Oh my God, and it hit. Oh, well, almost. I did my calculations wrong. I should have looked at my balance first. I thought I was at, it's okay. Whatever, $60. $60, $80. I got to make 80 bucks. 80 bucks to pass this one combine. $80. Yeah, I did my math wrong. It's okay. It's all good. Fucking win. Win. 2 wins on the day. God damn, guys. God damn. Guys. Easy win, bro. Easy. Too easy. Right here at this, see where we tapped into right here at this 4-hour top wick and then start bouncing back up. Beautiful, beautiful win. What was that? 39 points. Bro. All right, guys. I'm fucking done for the day. I got 2 wins on the day, guys. 2 wins on the day. Come on, guys. Like it up. Like that stream up. If you guys like today's stream, please like it up. We could go lower, guys. We could go lower. But the only way that we really would see a lot lower is if this 4-hour candle flips. And that would be right here. Is if this 4-hour candle flips. But it's okay. I'll just make the $80 tomorrow. No rush, or the next day. Like that shit up, guys. Heart, heart, heart. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. If you guys want to join the Discord, by all means, here is the link in the bio. You can join the Discord. It is completely free. Man, this looks like it's going to fucking flip, guys. Because look at that. We had a liquidity void right here. Took out this high, the BSL, buy-side liquidity. Came back down. We closed past this low right here, or not this low, this area right here, pretty much a break of structure. Came back. We could see a retest and then come back down. But yeah, I am done for the day. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, join the Discord, guys. It's free. I post some signals sometimes when I'm not on here. And I'm not on here Thursday, Friday. So if I do find a nice setup, I'll post it. And hold on, let me take a quick little... I don't remember what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, that's right. Wish I could just fucking all right, let me take a pic. All right. So now I'm done on the day. 2 wins on the day. I'm fucking done. No more. No more. So we're going into Wordle. Let's play. Let's use stock today as our first word. All right. Oh, look at that. So we got C in the correct place already. There's no S, there's no O, there's no K, but there is a T. No. Let me try another word with a C right there. If anybody, you guys got, there's 30 people on here, okay? Do you guys have Cash App? Do you guys have Cash App? If you guys have Cash App, let me know in the comments, because the next person, if anybody can help me guess this Wordle, I'm going to send you a free 50K account to your Cash App, okay? If anybody can help me guess this word. If not, oh, actually, give me a second. Be right back. One sec. All right. Sorry about that. All right, Tony. Looks like you're the only one that might be winning. Yeah. So help me solve the Wordle, and I'll send you that free 50K to your Cash App, bro. And then all you have to do is just use 80% off coupon code, and then you can get the 50K for 33 bucks, $33. That's it. All right, so we got stock right now. What else do you think, Tony? What else do you think, my guy? Let's see. Yeah, now if I guess it before you do, you're not getting it. Yeah, you gotta help me guess it, Tony. Or anybody, whoever helps me guess it, I'll send you some money for a free 50K account on Apex. Okay. Patch. All right, so patch. Oh, very close, Tony. Very close. I believe it's pitch, but since you're right, you're pretty much right, bro. You're pretty much right. All right, Tony. All right, Tony. Pretty much it's pitch. Good job, bro. Impressive. Good job, brother. All right, send me your Cash App info in the Discord. Send it to me, bro. And I'll send it to you. And I'll send you the link to use for the Apex. Good job, brother. You won that shit. Yes, sir. You're welcome. You're welcome, bro. Thank you. Yeah. Do you not have a funded account yet, Tony? Do you not have an account yet or something? And 2 resets. Nice. Well, now you have 3. So just send me your Cash App info, bro, and I'll send it to you so you can buy the account. Yeah, I'm about to get off of here, bro. So just don't forget to send it to me, and I'll definitely hook you up, brother. Bet. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Tony's sending me his Cash App right now. I'll do this again another time. Maybe I'll do another one this week. The only way you can also get that shit is if you're in the Discord. So if you're not in the Discord, you better join that Discord, because next time I do something like this, he just won a fucking 50K account by guessing a Wordle. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay? You guys be like Tony. You got to join the Discord. You want to win some free Apex challenge accounts? Join it up. Be on live. We'll do some Wordle. It's going to be a random day, so you got to be here, be participant. Okay? And if you guys are still trading for the day, good luck. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll be on around like 9:15, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're in the Discord, I'll also post a link when I am live. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys later. See you tomorrow. Use stop loss. Take care. Goodbye.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from 1 lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450K in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first $15K in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.